You know, I've been thinking that instead of sending us home with like those babies, those flower babies, you know, to learn how hard it was to take care of one so that we wouldn't have one. See, they got it all wrong. They shouldn't have sent us home with a baby. They should have sent us home with a baby daddy. Pretty sure things would have worked out completely different for most of us. My nails look absolutely awful because I plucked them all off, so I'm gonna do my best not to jump scare you and put them on camera. So we're gonna do some close-up shots of today's haul. I actually have a combination of their Memorial Day stuff, some new summer drops, and some Shore Living items as well. And if you're not familiar with Shore Living, it's basically their nautical collection. It's the label at Dollar Tree for that, for like all the beachy things. I feel like you guys are like slightly not, oh yeah, okay. There, well, I don't know, did that make it worse? Whatever. Let's go ahead and jump in. Should I do this in a specific order? I feel like I should. So let me sort all this out and then we'll start with Shore Living first. The Shore Living line at Dollar Tree is flying off the shelves. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I've been finding at my stores. The first thing that actually really surprised me out of this entire collection is that they're giving us these like wreath forms. Yeah, so that you can do like the mesh wreath. We've got this beautiful mermaid tail, the scales. You guys know how I feel. I love it in its natural form. I think there's just something really cute about this. But if you want to do a wreath and add the mesh and all that, like look how huge this mermaid tail is. It's absolutely amazing. I also found it in this seashell, which is pretty, I don't know how mesh wreaths work, to be honest, because I've never really kind of gave it a go. I think one time I did, but I don't know why the wire color matters, or like why they're not just all like black or white or just something really basic. Like, why is this one yellow? If you know, comment down below. But for someone like me who kind of just likes it the way this is, it's nice to, I guess, get a color, but you can spray paint it any color that I guess you want. So these were the two that I found there for that. I also found a bunch of new pictures that I think are absolutely beautiful. So if you want to like spruce up a bathroom or your bedroom for like this nautical feel, this is the time to go to Dollar Tree. This little lighthouse, and this image down here is so beautiful. I think that one's actually one of my top favorites. I also really love this one. Like, this is one of the prettiest little canvas prints I've seen come through Dollar Tree. And that's saying a lot because the canvases that come through Dollar Tree are stunning. So we have this option as well. Love the gold foil detail there. And then this one reminded me of the Goonies. I mean, anyone else, just like the rocks, but I thought that was really cute. So those were the ones that I found. Actually, they had more to choose from, but I just picked up those. They also have these beautiful decorative, what are they calling these? Just like table decor. This is at Dollar Tree for $1.25. I wanted to show you guys they have a variety of sizes to choose from. Very much has that rope nautical feel to it, which is beautiful. Bowl filler, a large glass filler, tier tray. It's gonna look absolutely stunning. Is that all that I got? Yeah. So found those three. They also have this little knot rope jute ball. They're calling this a little jute ball, and this is stunning. Like, I can't believe this is at Dollar Tree. So you can create garlands. You can just like place it in corners. Yeah, absolutely love it. Perfect, obviously, for the season. Next up, I did find these little decorative ceramic balls. I found 4 total options, I believe. There might have been more, but just to give you guys an up-close shot, here are the 4 prints that I found. It has that nautical feel. Also, I feel like it has a nautical feel without being too gimmicky. So if you don't want to go the mermaid route and, you know, like the obvious, these little balls will be absolutely perfect. Sorry about my nails. to spruce up, you know, for a nautical feel, while being kind of like understated. So this kind of looks like fish scales, you know. And then this one, which is so pretty. Yeah, tier tray, you know, styling it with your books, guest bathroom, perfect for all that. Then I found this right here. I feel like this is like a garden thing, but I don't know. Comment down below and let me know how you would use this, but it's stunning. That's all I know. When I look at this, it's stunning. It's also very heavy because it's like a cement block, but found that. I also found, let's see, there's so much. These little glass jars. We've seen Dollar Tree do this so many times, and they have a lot of options, you guys. I only picked up these 3. So I will say that for Dollar Tree, I really feel like they're giving us a lot more. In the last 3-4 years, it's a completely different Dollar Tree from Dollar Tree 10 years ago. Like, I can tell you that because I've been here on YouTube hauling from Dollar Tree for over 10 years. So they're doing so good. So these are absolutely beautiful. This is like a glass. This has a frosted like look to it. Super cute. Also, if you want to do a gift basket, those are going to be darling. Okay, next up I found the little tin can. I really don't know. There's some rope detail to it. If you need to fix it, you can with a little bit of hot glue. So we have the seahorse in here, and you can do some floral arrangement. They actually had more options to choose from this as well. I literally limit myself. Sometimes when I go into a Dollar Tree and I hit a jackpot, I still limit myself because I cause a backup in the checkout line. So, or I would literally grab everything if I could. Sometimes I actually go back in the store and do it again, but not this time. All right, then I found these little like ceramic trays. They are so stunning. Like, can you believe this is at Dollar Tree? Like, when I think of home goods or the at-home store, this would not be $1.25. So absolutely stunning. Great little pieces for corner spots. Then I found this little galvanized seashell. This is going to be great for the center of a wreath. You can again create garlands out of this. They also have the lighthouse, which is absolutely beautiful. The lighthouse, of course, reminds me of Weekend at Bernie's when Richard looks straight into the light, you know, and falls down the whole thing. Then they have the signs. So I found these 2. I'm gonna hold them up just so you can see like the difference. I do like that they're also pointing the boats in different, like left and right, if that makes sense. So if you kind of like, you know, have a preference or something, because sometimes I'm like that. Sometimes I'm like, I wish it would face a different way. So you get the 2 options. This boat's probably my favorite. I really like the sail on it. That's just my personal preference. So we've got those. I also found this, which shook me too. Like, I don't think it was very well done. Something about this right here is looking a little like, I don't know, like it just didn't go on properly. So make sure you're checking all of them and getting like the best one possible. But it's a little so cute. It reminds me of that, what's that thing called? The 90 Miles to Cuba in Key West. I don't know, it kind of reminds me of that structure. So we've got that. And then to shock me even more, I found some, looks like bath bombs. And this is Shore Living as well. So this is where I found it at Dollar Tree. This is gonna be so cute for a summer themed gift basket. But then I also found them in these soaps, and I think the soaps are my absolute favorite because they also give us this little like string. Are you kidding me? So we've got the little anchor, the starfish, which is yellow, by the way. I love that they made it yellow, seashell. That's just, this is blowing my mind. Then I picked up these, which I've already picked up before, but I just had to get them again. These are the little clips, and they are sailboat. We've got the starfish, super cute. And then we've got the seahorse, which I feel like this is my first time getting the seahorse, but how cute is that? Yeah, so that's it for the Short Living line. Now let's get into their Memorial Day items. I actually thought I had more than this, but I only have a couple of things to share. So I picked up these. These are what, like the table weights or the balloon weights. Yeah, so these are absolutely beautiful for that. However, when I personally looked at them, I definitely thought of plucking off the stars and using them somehow. And I don't know how easy that's gonna be. I'm gonna have to definitely work with it. Maybe use some wire cutters for sure will do it. Actually, in its natural form like this would look so cute in a tier tray. So I just want to point that out. But if you also want to deconstruct and just use the stars and then create garlands or put them in wreaths or like wherever, that's my favorite thing, honestly, to do with stars is like put them in wreaths. You could definitely do that with these balloon weights. So there's that. I had to get the table or the foam scatter. These are, I'm gonna link my 4th of July playlist down below. You can go back and watch all the ways I've used Dollar Tree items for 4th of July. This is my favorite of all time. It just makes my greenery look so good. I table scatter it, I put it into my wreaths, and it just looks so luxe in my opinion. I also picked up these glitter picks. Why do I feel like this isn't my first time hauling it, but it seems like it's my first time hauling it? These I'm very excited about because I definitely think these are going to look stunning, again, in a floral arrangement, garland, entryway table, wreaths, tier tray. Like, this is what you get at Dollar Tree. I mean, it just looks so good. So, I also like these little covers. You could definitely keep these for your junk journal, by the way. So, on that note, then I found the little beaded tassel. This is so cute. It says USA. Like, look at this. There's ribbon in here, red, white, and blue. How is this $1.25? I don't personally understand, but here we are. Then I found this little sign. I know that I've hauled it before probably, but the little ice cream cones are my favorite. I would actually deconstruct this and then buy maybe like 2 or 3 or a second and a third. And then that way I'll have 9 little ice cream cones and then I can create a garland of just the ice cream cones. So you could definitely think about it from that perspective. You can also take these ice cream cones and put them in tier trays and that will look absolutely darling as well. And you can also use them to decorate the inside of a care package. So there's just a lot you can do with that. And the last thing is this bag. I can't for the life of me remember if this is the same print from last year. Dollar Tree usually gives us new fresh prints, at least in the last several years they do, but I feel like this looks so familiar. So it could be pretty close, but the ice cream cones they just get me. Now we're gonna get into the summer items, or at least what I like to think of as their summer collection. So the first things are these huge, massive ice cream tumblers. They're so cute. Honestly, I just think of them as a show. I don't know if they're BPA free, so keep that in mind. It does say hand wash only. I just think if you're gonna have some type of ice cream bar or summer party, this could be really cute as like centerpieces or something, or even for Instagram. Like if you just love taking pictures and that's your thing, this would be actually really darling for that. So I mean, like, look at that. It's like the size of my freaking head. So those are cute. I also found their little straws. This one is definitely giving Golden Girls. Love it, they're so fun. And then we have the little pineapple ones, which I need to open this one because I want you guys to see that it does this little moment on all of them. Okay, so yeah. They kind of do this connect thing and then it just looks like a little pineapple all the way around, which is super cute. And then we have the pink one, the flamingos. I'll open this one as well and show you guys what that looks like. But like, how cute is that? I don't really know how like it connects, if I'm being honest with you, but there's a way to like do it. I just have no idea. I'm not doing a very good job of this, but anyway, so it connects some way like that. These little straws, yeah, super adorable. Then I found the umbrellas. I'm glad these are back. These have been out at Dollar Tree for honestly as long as I can remember. So classic little umbrellas. If you watched my shop with me, then you saw me freak out about these little jump ropes. I think Dollar Tree's theme is gonna be like neon. So that's really exciting because I just love neon for summertime. And they are a light up rope. So they light up. These were the 3 colors that I found. These are gonna be really cute for summertime. Then I also picked up this little 2-pack, the cup with the ice cream cones. Now you can see that these ice cream cones are different from the Memorial Day ones, super cute. Then I found these little tumblers. Again, I don't really know if they're BPA free. It doesn't say it, so that could mean that it's not technically. I think it has to say it, but I really don't know like all the rules about that. But I found the lime, the lemon, and the orange, and this is just absolutely adorable. Honestly, just for show or for a gift basket, like all those things, those are super cute. And I also found, now this shocked me the most, I think this is actually the last item for today's haul, and we're just gonna go out with a bang because I found color changing tumblers. Now this is amazing because they sell stuff like this at like Starbucks or at like, you know, Target and Walmart. We've never really gotten it on a Dollar Tree level. So here is the design that we're getting, the pineapple and summer vibes. I don't personally think they nailed it, but I also don't think it's absolutely horrible either. So I'll just say that. I do like that they went with a green straw to match this. So yeah, and it tells you what color it's going to change into. So this one is gonna go into a darker orange. And then that's pretty much, they're just gonna go to the darker color of whatever this is. So we've got the blue straw with the blue image, and it's gonna go into a darker pink. So that's really cool. Then we have the green. So we've got yellow with the yellow straw. I love that they did that at least. And then it's gonna go into a darker green color. And then the final color, which is purple. And we're getting kind of like a purpley, this one's kind of like monochromatic actually. This one's probably might be my favorite. And then this one, it just goes into a darker purple color. So this is brand new to Dollar Tree, and that is actually it for today's haul. Comment down below and let me know which section intrigues you the most or where you'll buy the most. Is it gonna be the Shore Living, Memorial Day, or it's actually Patriotic, right? Because they'll keep it out now until 4th of July as well, so it'll serve Memorial Day and 4th of July. So is it Shore Living, Patriotic, or Summer? I have to say personally, Shore Living's taking the cake. It's just so elegant and like, it's just top level for me. But I am very excited to see what their summer collection is gonna do as they're putting things out. But that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.